Edmonton getting a call out from a White House advisor on American TV over fentanyl overdoses.
In Edmonton last summer, I walked out of my hotel and they had an ambulance there helping somebody who had OD'd sadly on fentanyl. And then as I'm walking to my restaurant, two people get in a fight with the cops over drugs. Right there just in downtown Edmonton. And this is just my one day when I'm staying there.
Edmonton's mayor says these comments highlight the need for federal and provincial help, while some councillors say it's a matter of enforcement, with Edmonton City Council set to debate a public spaces bylaw next week.
Last year, 441 Edmontonians died because of drug poisoning crisis. This is directly caused by the illicit supply of drugs into our country, but it's also caused by the lack of action by the federal government and by the provincial government.
Edmonton's mayor hopes comments from the White House shine a light on the fentanyl crisis impacting the city, but Alberta's Minister of Social Services says the province is already working on it.
Well, when it comes to Edmonton, Alberta spent at record rates when it comes to tackling both homelessness and the drug epidemic. Minister
Nixon is touting $85 million spent by his ministry last year to support vulnerable Edmontonians, adding Alberta is ready to make the case to U.S. lawmakers.
When it comes to things like border security, where we will be absolutely excited to talk about the groundbreaking work that we are doing when it comes to recovery, when it comes to addictions or to caring for people that face addictions inside our province.
Director Hassett also compared the fentanyl problem in Alberta cities to San Francisco.
It's alarming to me that, that we continue to have this reputation.
Edmonton City Councillor and mayoral candidate Tim Cartmel taking to social media accusing Mayor Sohi of not seeing the downtown disorder and drug crisis as a problem. Cartmel pointing to an at times rocky relationship with the Edmonton Police Service and Commission, as well as a public spaces bylaw set to be debated in council next week.
Where the fine for illegal drug use and illicit drug use in a public spaces is $25 proposed, and the fine for feeding the birds is $250. That sends a bit of a message that says, that council and the city believes that the proportionality of these things is skewed.
Mayor Sohi pushing back, highlighting how Edmonton is disproportionately impacted by social issues, with a concentration of people from rural and northern communities accessing support in the capital city.
So anyone to suggest that that this council has not been taking action is absolutely is not the right approach to take, because we have been working hard. I have been working hard, pressing up on both the federal government and provincial government that they need to do their part.
Reporting from Edmonton, Darcy Ropchan, City News.